Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT, JPW Hubli. So, in last previous sessions, we have discussed about introduction to fashion, evolution of fashion. Now, let us proceed with the fashion cycle. What is fashion cycle? Fashion cycle is a lifespan of any fashion product. Fashion product, particularly during which season it exists and it gives the shape during that particular season. Or not only the fashion product, even apparels also. Every fashion product has its own lifespan, and this lifespan depends upon the customers, clients, consumers who consumes the product. Every fashion flow will be in 5 life stages. These stages are introduction stage, rise, peak, saturation, and decline, and out of fashion stage. In these periods, the fashion is offered at discounted rates in retail stores. Just see or go through the cycle over here, fashion cycle, and this graph particularly has shown the introduction stage of any product will come up, so that in this period the introduction of the product will be given. The next stage will be acceptance stage. So after the introduction of any product in a market, the people who will buy or who want to buy or who will be in a need of buying these products, means they will accept the product and they will purchase it. And nextly, the sales will get increased after the acceptance level. That will be a peak stage of a fashion product. Then next will be the decline stage or saturation stage, we may call. Decline stage in the sense after certain requirement or certain stage of requirement, the people will start disliking the product. So that we may call it as decline stage. Then rejection. Totally they will start, the consumers will dislike the product because they will sometimes fed off that particular product or particular pattern, design. Maybe if we see a common things, persons wearing a common thing, generally we won't prefer such things. We want to be unique. We want to appear unique. And next stage is obsolescence. So totally it will run away from the market. Let us see in detail. And this is also one of the fashion cycle, example of fashion cycle, whereas introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. The basic fashion cycle it is. Even you may call it as a time cycle. As I told you, there are 5 stages of fashion cycle. Introduction, increase, peak, decline, and obsolescence. In the first stage, that is introduction stage, the style will be introduced or designs will be introduced in the market. So and so products have been come to the market. So this is a new trendy style. So if anyone are interested, they can come and purchase it. Their manufacturing costs are high because they have manufactured this product in certain limited quantity. Startingly, in the starting stage or introduction stage, the manufacturers, what they will do is they will produce or they will manufacture the goods in limited quantity, and they will see how the result will be, whether they will get the good marketing sales or they will be under loss. First they will introduce the product on the trial base. The intentions of promotional activities are high to make the fashion popular through celebrities, endorsement, fashion shows and advertisement. In the introduction stage of any fashion product, they will conduct the fashion shows sometimes. They will do the street advertising, poster advertising, or they will distribute the pamphlets for the new introduction of product. But in this stage, the sales will be less. So, increase. The next stage is increase. At this stage, it is considered as rising stage, and it is accepted by more and more people in this stage rather than introduction stage. The price will also reduce in this stage. The bad thing in this is original product sometimes they'll get duplicated by the manufacturers rather than copies. Sometimes there are possibilities of duplicates. These line for line copies are produced with less expensive raw materials, so the cost will be less in this. Then next is peak stage. As soon as the sales will get increased, the cost will reduce and the sales will reach to the peak level. So when the new fashion is being accepted by whole or large number of people, that can be considered as peak stage of the fashion product life cycle. Then its production will get increased so that to beat the competency's price with the customers. This is also referred as plateau period, where the sales will get increased and the price will come down again. Next stage is decline stage. Decline stage starts here when the consumers or customers will get bored of wearing that particular style, or if they see the other persons wearing that styles again and again, so they'll get bored of it. They'll feel this fashion is outdated. The markdowns or discount offering starts at this stage. And also, promotional efforts are concentrated on discounts. But the leading retailers abandon the fashion and start selling new fashion merchandise. As soon as the decline stage comes to an end to any product, the company people will start to introduce new fashion again. At this particular stage or period. Next is obsolescence stage. The obsolescence stage is nothing but the total decline or total lock period of the particular styles. No more existence of that particular style. That is the obsolescence stage. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this session of fashion cycle and its introduction. We have gone through the life cycle of the fashion products. Study well. Thank you so much. Let us see you in the next session.